Hey YouTube family, it's Humberto from GrayLaw TV. I hope you're safe. I hope things are going relatively well under the circumstances for you. I know it's tough out there, and I just wanted to share a little bit with you about me. I've been fortunate over the years to have a very successful immigration practice within the entertainment and business space. And so, the thing about this YouTube channel, it's to give back. It's to help you. Certainly during these times when it's tough, a lot of you probably have lost your job. And you're wondering, what am I going to do as an immigrant? Am I eligible for certain relief? One of those forms is called unemployment. And I'm going to share that with you. Also, how do I know this? Because my clients are calling me. Humberto, I got laid off. Can I file for unemployment, and what effect will that have or impact on my immigration status? So these are the things I'll share with you today as a way of giving back and, hopefully give you some hope that things are going to be okay. So if you lose your job, unemployment or benefits that are administered by the state, your employer pays payroll tax. So it's sort of an insurance that'll cover you in the event that you're laid off or you can't work. Well, these rules have been expanded under the current federal law. Lots of governors in the state, they're allowing for issuance of these benefits to you. So you may qualify, and it doesn't hurt to make this application. You can try. Let's go through some of the scenarios that will qualify you for unemployment, where you can actually receive money. You receive, money from the state. Let's go through some of these. Workers, if you're sick or quarantined due to this coronavirus, the COVID-19, then you may be eligible for disability insurance. It's called disability insurance. That's normally, let's say in the workplace you're injured, you qualify for disability insurance, and guess what? You can get paid up to 60 to 70% of the wages that you were earning during the time of your employment. So, that's pretty substantial. That can be from $50 to like $1,300 per week. So that's one thing you want to do. You check with your state. Again, these are administered by the state. So, go online and see what benefits you may qualify for under this COVID-19 emergency. Caregiving. So if you're unable to work because you're caring for someone who's ill or someone who contracted the virus, then you may qualify for something called a paid family leave claim. That again is pretty substantial. 60 to 70% of your salary could be paid to you. So you may want to take a look at that. School closures. A lot of schools are being closed, right? And you got to stay home. You got to care for the kids. If that's the case, then you may be eligible to file an unemployment insurance claim. So this claim is similar to a claim where you're fired from your job. You can file for unemployment. The benefits aren't as substantial, but you can receive something. You can receive a percentage of what you were earning. You have reduced work hours. If your employer has reduced your work hours, due to the COVID-19, everything is slow right now. My staff, everyone's working from home, so things are slow. If that's the case, then again, you can file for an unemployment claim. Here in California, the governor has said the waiting periods are very short. So you can make your claim within a week or two. Hopefully, you'll be receiving a check from the state. So this is very important. Finally, if you're self-employed, you still may be able to make a claim under unemployment. So still, I would advise you make the claim. Those of you immigrants, a lot of my E2 clients who have businesses and things are very slow for their employees. They can apply also for some benefits, receive money so they can continue to pay their employees. So what impact will there be on you if you receive these unemployment benefits? Well, immigration has come with a policy memo that says you will not be affected if you make a claim for unemployment. So there's this new public charge. We've talked about this in previous segments. Under public charge, there are factors, right? There's positive factors if you have a job, if you've made a certain amount of money, if you have, high education, those are positive factors. If you haven't been employed, you're elderly, you're sick, those are negative factors, and there's going to be a balancing. They're going to balance the positives and the negatives, whether or not you meet the public charge rules, that you're not going to become a public charge to the U.S. So a lot of my clients are asking, hey, Humberto, can I receive unemployment? Things are tough right now. Will that have a negative impact on my immigration in terms of this balancing? If I receive these unemployment benefits, is it going to count as a negative factor in my application? Well, the policy memo says no. Immigration will not hold this against you. So make the claim, check with your state rules, see what's going on with this COVID-19, make an application, make a claim, and hopefully this will help you guys, during these tough times. What I've done is I've put a link below in the description box for at least California. So you can click on and you can read some of these things that I've discussed today with you. Hopefully it'll be helpful. And stay safe. Click below, like and subscribe, and we'll get through this. You're our GrayLaw family, and we care about you guys, and we're hoping we're giving back.